Welcome to Grizz's workshop. This middle-aged man-child is Grizz.
Not an expert or an exemplar of safety.
This is yet another request from Mrs. Grizz. She isn't at all happy with my use of the angry American text-to-speech voice I've been using for her. So she asked me,
I want patio table. Not am I Chinese?
I'd purchased a barrel to use the staves for furniture builds I had in mind. I had no plans for the top or bottom of the barrel. However, I thought the top would make a perfect patio table for Mrs. Grizz. The only problem with the top is that years of being under pressure meant it wasn't flat. It had developed a dome. I re-glued the top, clamped it with cawls to keep it straight. Although it was no longer domed, the surface wasn't level, but it was still able to be used. I covered the cracks underneath with a sealant. Now onto the apron. I thicknessed oak battens I had down to the same size. And down to length. I used the first two pieces to ensure the second two were the right length. I assembled the apron, a quick sand, and onto the legs. After I cleaned and sanded the legs, I cut them to size before flipping them over and trimming the ends square. Next to the belt sander to flatten the top of the outside of the stave. This gives the surface better adhesion. drill, glue, then screw the apron. Once fully assembled, I screw through the apron into the top. I see to any gaps on the top by filling them with glue and sawdust from the project. Afterwards, I give the project a coat of external treatment that should prevent from any rot or insect damage. I then flip it over and redarken the underside with black paint. You can see from this clip how it all went together. Here's the finished table. This was in June this year. Three months later, and you can see the sun has lightened it. This barrel was first filled on the 3rd of April 1957, which was a Wednesday. In that year, the Russians launched Sputnik into space. Let me know what you think about the project in the comments below. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
I'll catch you next time on Grizz's Workshop.